As indicated by our ongoing Jasmy coin cost forecast, the worth of Jasmy coin will expanded by 257.55%, coming to $0.0216 by end of 2025, or so they really thought. All specialized markers truly show that the ongoing feeling fundamentally is unbiased, while the trepidation and veracity list really is perusing 41.79. And that implies in every practical sense, intense apprehension. Our Jasmy coin estimate. It's whole Jasmy coin at this moment, or so they thought. On February 25, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall nonpartisan feeling among Jasmy coin cost forecasts incredibly. See the specific Jasmy coin cost forecast underneath. You will realize how kind of much Jasmy coin most certainly is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout recent days, Jasmy coin has expanded by 15.70%. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of February, the worth of Jasmy coin expanded by 116.20% and came to approach around $0.0130 in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, all markers truly are demonstrating nonpartisan zone, and the apprehension and ravenousness list shows 41.79 intense feelings of trepidation, or so they thought. As per our estimate, this generally isn't the ideal opportunity to hold Jasmy coin in an extremely significant manner. At present, Jasmy coin certainly is exchanging beneath the 200 basic moving normal, or so they thought. For the by and large most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Jasmy coin holding signal, in spite of mainstream thinking. The cost of Jasmy coin is as of now running underneath the 50-day especially basic moving normal, SMA, and it truly shows a purchase signal in an unobtrusive manner. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will in a real sense hit $0.00585 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, Jasmy coin by and large momentary 50-day SMA generally shows a $0.00561 in a fundamentally significant manner. The general strength record, RSI, energy oscillator, is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital currency generally is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is right now at Ursivalu, or so they thought. This demonstrates that the Jasmy market is in an impartial situation in every practical sense, significant way. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, Jasmy coin came to $0.00568 when it for the most part dipped under $0.00303. Interestingly, since January 2021, as indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, Jasmy coin is en route to passing the $0.0132 mark before the current year's over. Before $0.0132, it might by and large break its characteristic of $4.99 and reach in spite of prevalent thinking. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Jasmy coin will generally break its past all-time pretty high of $4.99 and hold somewhere in the range of $0.0118 and $0.0132 soon in a significant manner. At this point, on 25 February 2023, Jasmy coin in a real sense is exchanging at $0.00605, and its 24-hour exchanging volume in a real sense is around 61.15 M. And it generally makes number 132 cash in the sort of entire crypto world. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024. There is plausible that Jasmy coin can get through the $0.0154 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024, or so they in every practical sense thought. The least Jasmy coin cost will basically be between $0.0129 to $0.0154, and the most certainly logical Jasmy coin cost will generally be consistent at around $0.0152 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Jasmy coin's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its naturally antagonistic energy utilization, extremely rich person adventure exceptionally entrepreneur Tim Draper generally is adhering to his expectation that Jasmy coin will reach $0.0154 toward the finish of 2024, or in every practical sense, mid-2024, which is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin value forecasts 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that Jasmy will truly begin the year at $0.0178 and exchange around $0.0216 in a huge manner. As per their expectations, this would truly be very extremely high contrasted with commonly last year incredibly. This is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin, in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026. There sort of is an in every practical sense great possibility that Jasmy coin 2026 value forecast will kind of twofold in cost, yet it in a real sense is likewise certainly conceivable that it may not in a real sense arrive at its normal certainly most extreme $0.0275 level in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin is anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed high of $0.0263 or $0.0275 in 2026. And it very well may be the extended period of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin value forecast 2027. Jasmy coin value expectation, or Jasmy, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it sort of has the kind of potential to accomplish new highs. As far as costs and market cap, Jasmy coin's cost generally is supposed to outperform $0.0275 in 2027 in an unobtrusive manner. It has been basically anticipated that Jasmy coin will by and large arrive at the really most extreme cost of $0.0275, and the very least cost is supposed to be around $0.0232 and the really next along time from 2027. Jasmy coin gauge 2028. Market examiners and specialists foresee say that Jasmy coin value expectation and specialized examination, Jasmy coin sort of is supposed to commonly cross a value level of $0.0312 in 2028, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the meantime, Jasmy coin is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $0.0287 this year. Or so they thought. The greatest cost might reach $0.0332. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the Jasmy coin value expectation and specialized investigation foresee that the expense of Jasmy coin will reach $0.0438, and the cost of Jasmy ought to reach $0.0438 before the year is over. Also, Jasmy can in a real sense reach up to $0.0408 in cost, or so they most certainly thought. From 2024 to 2029, delay will really bring critical years for Jasmy coin development. Jasmy value expectation 2030. Of every 2030, Jasmy coin value forecast sort of are supposed to basically cross the $0.0627 normal cost level, as indicated by Jasmy coin conjecture and specialized investigation, which generally is genuinely critical. Toward the finish of 2030, Jasmy coin's extremely least cost